Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the average of three fractions is 119 divided by 360. If two fractions are 2/3 and 1/5, what is the third fraction? Here we have given average of three fractions is 119 divided by 360. Two fractions are 2/3 and 1/5. Suppose third fraction be x. So from given information, 2/3 plus 1/5 plus x whole divided by means sum of these three divided by 3 equals to 119 divided by 360. Now multiply both the sides by 3, we get 2/3 plus 1/5 plus x equals to 119 divided by 360 into 3. So here 2/3 plus 1/5 equals to, here LCM is 15, so 2 into 5 is 10 plus 3 into 1 is 3 divided by 15 plus x equals to 3 divided by 360 means 120. Now (13 by 15 plus x equals to 119 divided by 120. Now subtract both the sides by 13 by 15, so x will be 119 divided by 120 minus 13 by 15. Now here LCM is 120, so 119 minus 13 into, we need to multiply here 13 by 8 to get denominator 120. So 119 minus 13 into 8 is 104 divided by 120. 119 minus 104 is 15. So 15 divided by 120. Now here 15 by 120 means 15 ones are 15 and 15 eights are 120. Hence third fraction is 1/8. And from available options we have option C as 1/8,